Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set auto deposit RBC mobile app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To set up auto deposit for intra-key transfers using RBC mobile app, what you need to do is head over and open up RBC mobile app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, tap on accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. In the accounts menu, find the e-transfer option, usually located under the pay bills and transfer section or directly into your account menu. Then tap manage auto deposit, maybe also under settings. You'll be asked to confirm your email or mobile number that you want to link to auto deposit. Select the account where you like to e-transfers to be automatically deposited. Once you have entered your details, confirm that you want to enable auto deposit. From now on, all the e-transfers sent to your mail or phone number will be deposited directly into your selected RBC account without needing to answer a security question. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.